Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the square root of x plus 4, given that we have 4 raised to x plus 6 raised to x equals 2.9 raised to x. Now recall from here, we believe that from here we can have 4 raised to x to be like this, to be plus 6 raised to x to be equals 2.9 raised to x. So now from here, we believe that 2 raised to power 2 equals 4, then raised to x plus, from here, 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6 raised to x equals 2.3 raised to power 2 all raised to x. So from here, according to law of indices, when you have a raised to power n raised to power n like this, when you have a raised to power m all raised to power n, this can be simplified to be equals a raised to power n, the all in bracket raised to power m. So we can interchange their power. Also from here, we can have this to be equals 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus this, when you have a b raised to power m, this can be simplified to be a raised to power m, then b raised to power m. So therefore, from here, we have 2 raised to power x, 3 raised to power x to be equals 2 dot. By applying this expression here to this, we are going to have it to be 3 raised to power x raised to power 2. So from here, by letting a to be equals 2 raised to power x and b equals 3 raised to power x. So that means here we are going to have it to be a raised to power 2, and here we have this one to be a, we have this one to be b, that means we have it to be ab, then this will be equals 2 dot, this one also will now be b raised to power 2. So from here, what we are going to have for this will be a square plus ab equals 2b square. Now, to solve this quadratically, we can have it to be a square plus ab minus 2b square to be equals 0. So we believe that ab can be simplified as when you have 2ab minus ab. So now let's substitute this one here. What we are going to have now will now be a square plus 2ab minus ab minus 2b square equals 0. So from here, by taking this one, we have it to be a square plus 2ab in bracket like this. Now we have this one to be minus, then we have this to be ab plus 2b square, everything equals 0. Because when we use this minus to open the bracket here, we are going to have all this back. Now what is common here is a. We can have it to be a into bracket of a plus 2b, and also when we factorize b is common here, we have it to be minus b, then we have this one to be a plus 2b. Everything will be equals 0. So now from here we have a plus 2b. A plus 2b is common. We can take them. A plus 2b. Now from here we have a, then we have this one to be minus b to be equals 0. Now what we are saying here is that is either, we believe that is either a plus 2b equals 0 or a minus b equals 0. So from here, what we are saying is a will now be equals minus 2b, which implies that from here, when we divide both sides by b, that means we have our a divided by b to be equals minus 2. And again, from here, we have our a to be equals b. Now take note that our a equals 2 raised to power x and our b equals 3 raised to power x. Now coming back to this place, we have a divided by b to be equals minus 2. That means we have 2 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x to be equals minus 2. From here, according to law of indices, this we can have it to be 2 divided by 3 all raised to power x to be equals minus 2. And from here, we believe that no matter what the value of x, here is positive and here is negative. So which means that we reject this expression. So this is not supposed to be. Now recall from this, we have a to be equals b. We have our a to be equals b. So from here, when we divide both sides by a, what we are going to have will be a divided by b will be equals 1. And when a divided by b equals 1, this implies that we have 3 raised to power x, 2 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x, because a is equals 2 raised to power x and b equals 3 raised to power x equals 1. And according to law of indices, when you have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n raised to power, and you have b raised to power m, this can be simplified because they have the same power. This can be simplified to be a divided by b all raised to power m. So therefore, from here, we can have 2 divided by 3 all raised to power x to be equals 1. And what we are saying here is that what can make this one to be equals 1 is when x equals 0. So therefore x equals 0. So when x equals 0, but remember that the question says that we should find the value of square root of x plus 4. So now we want to obtain the value of what? Square root of x plus 4. Now we want to find square root of s plus 4, and this will be equivalent to square root of 0 plus 4, which will be equals square root of 4, and this will be equals 2. So therefore square root of s plus 4 equals 2. So if you are new here, watch this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. So from here we have x to be equal 0 and square root of x plus 4 to be equals 2. So, and here is the solution to everything. We have it to be, we have everything to be like this. Have everything to be like this. Bye.